You've lost trade after trade and you feel like quitting. You're not failing because you're unlucky. You're risking too much too fast. And most of you know that pain even if you won't admit it. I'm here not to sell you dreams, but to show you discipline. If your trading account feels like a slow leak, you've come to the right place. Because structure, not hype, is what turns effort into consistency. Now I want to show you my way from $1 to a good result. I can do this because I have a lot of experience. This is not advice. I am showing you my experience and the capabilities of a robot named MaxBot. This is my AI assistant that monitors the market and gives detailed reports on key indicators, gives recommendations. It can work not only with basic currency pairs, but also with variants for over-the-counter trading. So I started working on the currency pair pound yen OTC. Time frame 1 minute. I have sped up the price movement for easy viewing and to save your time, friends. You can get the bot for free and forever within a month. The link is in the description. Those who will not have time to take advantage of this offer will need to subscribe for a fee. If you have any questions, then write in private messages to the manager. He will tell you everything. Right now, you can click on the trial signals button in the main bot menu and try it out without registration from any trading account. Follow the link in the description and try out the trading bot today. To not miss new useful content, click on the subscribe to channel button and on the bell. Like and comment. Our team appreciates your activity. It helps the channel to grow and bring important information to traders who really want to develop. I am also preparing a cool course on technical analysis for you. Only those traders who join our team will get the course. Write to me in private messages at the link in the description under the video to join us. In this course, I will tell you about the secret aspects of technical analysis and how to use them in practice. The course is absolutely free. This video is for educational purposes only. I am not a financial consultant. These are my personal results. Your results may vary. They depend on many factors that I help you deal with and understand. Let's start with the unglamorous truth. Risk must always be capped at 1 to 2% per trade. That's non-negotiable. On a $100 account, you trade no more than 1 to 2. Raise capital, pace risk accordingly. Why? Because consistency, not streaks, is how capital survives and grows. Most traders blow out lives by gambling at higher risk during emotional pressure. That's not trading, that's self-sabotage. Framework mindset, discipline over drama. Think of Michael Jordan missing more than half his shots. He wasn't perfect, he was consistent, he trained, he followed structure, and he won championships. Trading isn't about perfection, it's about disciplined execution. If you're stuck at break even, maybe you're chasing setups, not following a process, you're treating the chart like a highlight reel instead of a blueprint. I burned through accounts because I chased bright signals, feeling smart instead of calm. I traded too big. I punched through my rules. Every blow-up felt like failure. My turning point came when I started documenting every trade, limiting risk to 2%, and using my signals assistant to confirm entries. That's when my account curve stopped zigzagging and began rising. Here's what they won't tell you. Most traders believe intuition is their edge. They act on tension, on FOMO, on the desire to feel right. They chase setups like they're trying to get famous, not trying to last. Trading isn't a blockbuster movie, it's a construction project, and you don't start building without a blueprint. What you should do: use 2 time frames, higher for the trend, lower for entry. Confirm setups before entering, volume, momentum, structure. Use your signals assistant to validate, not replace, your analysis. Risk no more than 1 to 2% per trade. Journal every trade, entry, thought process, emotions, outcome. Review weekly. This is where growth happens. Your signals assistant MaxBot removes emotional filters. It scans setups exactly to your rules. It points out when your logic holds or fails. It doesn't trade for you. It keeps you honest. In a market full of noise, clarity becomes a weapon. Just last week, it flagged a euro-dollar reversal, volume spike, trend alignment on 2 time frames, clean breakout structure. I risked $10 on a $1,000 account and closed with an $8 gain. Not flashy, but repeatable. That is your edge. Here's the deal. You can grab the full assistant free forever, but only for the next 30 days. After that, it's behind a paywall, no exceptions. Secure it now or pay later. If this hits home, hit like. Drop a comment. How do you size trades? What's your favorite rule or indicator? Subscribe if you're done chasing setups and ready to build systems. Check the link in the description to claim your AI assistant before the window closes. I know people who escaped 9-to-5 grind not through luck, but through process. They respected risk. They built systems. They scaled with structure, not emotions. Trading carries real risk, just like launching a business, but doing nothing also carries risk. A $100 account with a $1 per trade strategy yields 80 cents per win. A $1,000 account with $10 per trade yields $8 per win. Same setup, different scale. Structure scales. Chaos burns accounts. You decide. Friends, we have a group in Telegram where we share posts that help to understand trading in more detail. There is a lot of educational content that I personally use in practice. Subscribe, the link below the video. We help with training. To chat about training, write to our manager in private messages. Link in the description. I personally conduct trading sessions and help with training for all participants. I share my experience. It is not financial advice. I show how I do it. 2 smart analysis tips. Always look left. Previous structure zones matter more than candles. Review your worst trades. Understand the mistakes. Use that insight to level up. What's one rule or routine that transformed your trading? How do you confirm your setups? What's the most valuable lesson you learned the hard way? Share it below. Your insight could change someone's path. You don't need more strategies. You need one you can follow without fail. Clarity beats chaos. Structure beats hype. You've got the blueprint. Now execute it. A quick note on trends. Social networks now play a big role in triggering market moves. Viral posts influence sentiment. Hashtags like buy gold or sell your create waves. When coordinated, they amplify retail flows, spike volatility, and influence institutional flows. If you're trading without considering sentiment trends or social buzz, you're trading blind. When retail sentiment starts shifting online, especially on platforms like X or Telegram, those micro ripples can build into macro moves. We saw this during the meme stock explosion. That wasn't just hype, it was coordinated sentiment with real volume. So when you ignore social trends, you're not just skipping noise, you're missing context. Price moves because people act. People act based on belief. And belief spreads faster today than ever before. That's why serious traders now include social data in their analysis stacks. It's not a replacement for technicals. It's a supplement. The same way earnings reports aren't about numbers alone, but about how those numbers are received by the crowd. I've just finished work, folks. You can see the result on your screen. Subscribe and pick up the bot. I'll be back to you soon with more useful thoughts.